And the only honor we can give to this great lady and all the teachers in the Republic of Kenya is to honor the CBA and settle their arrears for all the teachers, including those who have departed. How I wish that my brother Nyabuti atapata marupurupu yake kulingana na CBA agreement kwa niaba ya bibi yake ambaye ameenda zake. And I want to tell the members of the executive led by the president, hamuwezi kutuharakisha kuja bunge kupitisha mawaziri wengine ambao wameangusha nchi, and you consider this extremely important, yet you don't consider education of our children as a priority. It is shame on us, and it is time Parliament was recalled to petition supplementary budget ya kulipa walimu deni yao yote, watoto wetu warudi shule. We share a common bond. Let not politics divide us. Politics will come and go, lakini sisi bado tutakuwa hapa. I'm praying that iyo ama abera ya kwanga moiwa yona banate mamo minoma etoyo my sister toramanya yona mote bingalera ye tulikorwa lakini mbuyole omwe mbuyole ngenteka tuto kegambe ekiragete toyara ni bitebi ekiragete kende ke yagato ko and may God bless you as you learn again ina tu sekata tata ngamanyagweta bono ona ayeno moiwa no mwangole ni chimoro kubuna tokora again take no no go chiesa okora chia engere go chiase yanko yao tigengete okora no moiwa chiengerete aye mwake chekioete hii kitu haina shida haina vita tiganya saye kwa morembe atoira stinka cheito na ende balitora banyena tigatokobo mungina Teresa pake nyumba yaye tumusabira masabo yo mwelio tobekeri uga